Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about dating again. This is going to be my 50 millionth video on dating, and in all honesty, I'm doing these because I am writing a book, or I'm in the process of writing another book, but this one is going to be called The Relationship Bible. So it's something currently in production. Release date is going to be around Valentine's Day of 2024. Wish me luck, because I've been pushing it back for the longest, but that's the goal, right? Anyways, so I saw a post yesterday and I saw a post today. The one yesterday, let's start with that, says men wake up, get dressed, call their homeboys, go to breakfast, smoke, go to the mall, get outfits, tattoos, leave the mall, smoke again, grab more food, they finally separate. Then come sit in my face looking goofy AF. Like you really took him on a date and don't see the problem. Okay, cool. Right? That was a girl who said that. To which I responded, my theory is this. You two didn't spend enough time in the talking phase. You two aren't friends. When we link with our platonic friends, we have a ball. We can relax and be carefree. Spend more time getting to know the people you're sleeping with. And it got a few likes, like people were like engaging and they liked what I said. And I said what I said. A lot of people, this is why I say the talking phase should be 3 to 4 weeks. Get to know each other. It might seem boring, but it's very important. Get to know what each other likes, what you guys dislike. Become friends with each other, because if you guys cannot sit in silence and just enjoy each other's company, or excuse me, or tell jokes or have drinks or whatever without it being sexual or without it being some type of argument that follows, or if you two cannot be open and have genuine conversations with each other, then you won't feel the need to be around them unless there's going to be sex involved. Okay? When we are with our friends, like I said in the post, when we're with our friends, we are relaxed. We can run joke and say whatever it is that comes to our minds, and we can divulge our deepest, darkest secrets and all of these things. But when it comes to our partners, we're holding back. Why is that? Because we are not friends in the first place. You have to develop a friendship, some sort of friendship, some level of friendship, to where your partner wants to be around you and you want to be around them. If you don't like each other, like, love is one thing, right? I can love you to the death of me, like love, like care for you, want the best for you. Love is easy. Liking someone is hard. Okay? Now, another reason why I wanted to do this topic, I was on Instagram and one of my friends posted this post that says, anywhere is a date when a woman loves being around you. To which she agreed and said yes, because even if we're sitting down at the house or, going to the store, to me that's a date because I always want to be around you. A couple of weeks ago, I made a post that said, people have confused quality time with dating, and I blame the pandemic, because we got so comfortable with not being able to go to certain places that we got creative and we decided, okay, we're hanging out together, we're on a date. No. Quality time is quality time. A date is a date. And while yes, anything can be a date, whether it's a restaurant, a picnic, ice cream, coffee, anything can be a date, right? Because it's all within, what your means are and what whatever. But if we're just sitting around the house, if we're going to the store, if we're doing just random things, if you have to go somewhere, you tell me to come with you, that is not a date. That's me running errands with you. When we go on a date, I want to be relaxed. I want to be enjoying myself. We should be enjoying each other's company, enjoying each other, have full access, full, what's the word I'm looking for? We should be completely enamored in each other. Running errands, going to Target, going to the store, going to the mall, these are not dates. This is just quality time. And if your love language is quality time, great for you. You're going to think that everything is a date. And you know what? Let me not even say that. Maybe you don't think everything is a date. But a lot of these things, we're just hanging out, sitting around, smoking, drinking. These are not dates. This is a link up. This is hanging out. This is quality time. If you want to take someone on a date, this is something that you plan out so that the two of you are communicating, talking, engaging with each other and each other alone. Okay? If you want to have like a group date or a couples date, that's great as well. You're including, 2 or 3 other couples, but you two are still having intentional alone time, right? And a lot of these couple dates don't work for other people because some people don't like people. Like me, I don't want to bring zodiacs into it, but I'm a Virgo sun, right? My sun sign is Virgo. I don't like most people. When I'm sober, especially, especially like, and I hate to say this, but especially dumb people. Like, now, if we're drinking or smoking and we're not sober, my Leo moon is going to take over. And I'm going to become the life of the party. And we're going to have the most fun in the world, right? But that's just from a zodiac standpoint. So couple dates might work for some people and it might not. So it also depends on the type of person they are and also the type of activities that they are doing. Okay? Going to the movies, that's a date. You two are spending time together, intentionally spending time together. Running errands is running errands. That's just quality time. And I feel myself becoming repetitive because it's just, that's just what it is. It's that simple. Everything is not a date. Everything is not a date. We are taking away from what a date is supposed to be. And I don't know why. I don't know why. Why do we have to humble the word? Why are we taking away from what it actually is? If you want to spend time with this person 24/7, that is fine, but that is not you being on a date with this person. If you want to be on this person's couch with them, just watching Netflix and chilling, literally just hanging out, that is fine, but that is not a date. Nothing was thought of, nothing was planned out, nothing was brought together. That is not a date. Hanging out is not a date. So stop saying that. It's okay to do those things without labeling it as a date. Am I getting through to you? And I don't want to hear no foolishness in the comments. No foolishness in the comment section, please. A date is a date is a date is a date. And running errands with you is not a date. Hanging out at your house is not a date at all. Oh, I'm gonna go check somebody up the road. You wanna come with me? That is not a date. Anything is not a date. Anything is not a date. Anything can be a date, but anything is not a date. Does that make sense to you? Like, fishing can be a date. Hiking can be a date. A picnic can be a date. Movies can be a date if the two of you have those things in common. Those are things that you two like to do together and it relaxes the two of you. It makes the two of you comfortable. It's intentionally being together in that moment. Romanticized. When you're on a date, it's supposed to be romantic. Quality time is quality time. Oh, babe, I have to go to the mall and get something really quick. You want to come with me? That is quality time. Oh, I just found this new show on Amazon Prime. You want to watch it with me? That is quality time. If you want to make it into a date, then you romanticize that. That Amazon Prime show that you want us to watch, make sure that you have snacks and drinks and flowers waiting for me. Romanticize that. Make sure that you have LED lights and you know, blankets and all of that. That romanticize that, and then we can think maybe we can say that's a date. But me and you just on the couch watching a show, watching Gen Z 4, 5, 6 episodes, that's not a date. All right, that's all I wanted to say about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. It's crazy how this went so intense and then just like calm all the way down. So here, keep going to my eyeball.